Hello Professor, this is the assignment number 9.6 and we are solving example 1 and 2 from 12.5. In this assignment we are trying to investigate autonomous system of first order different equation by using Eurol method, and then after that we are gonna plotting them. First of all, we are creating two functions. The functions are same, but just in the second function, we are going to plot the values for krill by time and Wales by time. In the first method, we are passing a parameter for step size and other parameter for overall time. Then we are calculating total number of steps by dividing overall time by step size. Then we are creating three array, one for krill, second for Wales, and third for time. And the size of array is equal to total number of steps that we are calculating in above step. Then we are assigning initial value of 1 to array x, initial value of 2 to array y, and initial value of parameter step size to array t. Then we are running a loop from second element to total number of steps, and then we are calculating both equation for each steps. You can see in the output the loop is running for 30 times, which is total number of steps, and evaluating two equations for each steps. And also you can see the trajectory, which is further for true solution trajectory. Then we run second method with much smaller step size, which is 0.02. And you can see the output, the total number of steps increased to 150, and the trajectory is now closer to the true solution trajectory. Then we further reduce the step size to 0.003125 and run the method again. And as you can see in the output, the total steps are now increasing to 960, and you can see this solution of two equations for each steps. Also, you can see the trajectory is very closer to the true solution trajectory. Now we will run the second method that will plot the periodic fluctuation of krill and Wales over time. Now we will run the second method that will plot the periodic fluctuation of krill and Wales over time. As you can see in the output, the maximum predator population always occurs at a later time than the occurrence of maximum prey population, as you can see in the output. Thank you.